Galmeco's your client? Boss, he didn't give you a hard time, did he? Don't worry. Not only did he not give me a hard time, but he also gave me a big gift. Allowed me to land a big deal within a week of joining the company. Really? How did you do
Yes,
it?
really.
It's all
Really? Biggest monologue parts.
Galmeco, I found your student ID. Sign the strategic cooperation agreement with G1 as soon as possible. If I can't make it to the interview, take it down for me.
Hello mga katsulalat.
It's all because I helped him before. We are all classmates after all, so he shows a favor. See what I said?
Mao po ni ilang kuan diri sa mushroom. Sa atoa hugasan raman. Diretso nagkadtad lutuon. Diri panit-panitan pa oy.
Getting off to a perfect start. Cheers. Cheers. Boss. Boss. Boss.
Boslot,
What's going on here?
boslot.
They issued a final ultimatum.
Shout out sa lahat ng OFWs sa gitnang silangan.
Where's the sunlight for? Took off with the money long ago. Ran off. Those bastards. You were in the United States. You were like my place in sexual groups.
Katong kaning issue sa Pilipinas karon. Good job kay Senator Amy Marcos no. Kay kitabangan na jud niya si BBM para maundang na iyang pagkapakno ba. Nag-announce na si BBM na mag-resign na siya. Maayo. Kay kung di siya pahawaon karon, samot pa kadako ang ma-scam nila, samot pa kadako ang makorap nila. Kanang karon na yung orasan ni na mag-resign siya bago pa mahitabo ang parehas sa yang amahan nga daghan pag madidbol bago siya magbaba. Wala utay plano si BBM na mag-resign pero sa nahitabo karon pag baba na lang para way mga didbol dira ng mga Pilipino. Condolence dito sa akong classmate na natigok. Mary, magpabili daw ng ano si Rasil, magbili siya ng pangsalad. Gusto siya magkain ng salad ngayong gabi. Sabi ko, madali lang magawa ng salad, pero magbili ka ng agarat. Happiness and joy it bring when you call my name, coming out of the rain.